let's fix your iPhone camera if it's inverted. Now, if you take a selfie on your iPhone, but you find that it's inverted, basically it's flipping it around to the wrong, basically, orientation, I'm going to show you how to fix that. But first, I'm going to show you an example. Let's open up the camera here, and I'm going to flip it around to the front, and I am just going to take a quick picture here. So you can see I am on the left, the remote is on the right here. I can go into my photos, and that looks correctly. I'm in the left, the remote is on the right. However, the key thing here is that if someone else is looking at me, they'll see the opposite. They'll see the remote is on the left and I am on the right, and that Sony at the bottom will be readable. So maybe you're running into this situation. Maybe there's nothing to read, but you just want to flip it around. I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's hop out here and we'll open up our settings. And we'll scroll down until we get to camera here and tap on camera. Now you can see midway down here is mirror front camera under that composition. So that's the feature that toggles it or inverts that camera. So I turned that off, and let's go back to my camera and I'll take the exact same photo. Let's flip this around. I'll take the exact same photo. You can see that in the camera itself, when I'm looking at my iPhone, I'm still on the left and the remote is on the right. However, if I go into photos here and go to this one, now I'm on the right and the remote is on the left. So it basically inverts everything to what someone else would be seeing if they were looking directly at me, instead of kind of the camera or mirror or whatever inverting everything and making everything unreadable. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.